Hello there, and welcome to this tutorial on how to install the BoxIt suite for CorelDRAW X8. My name is Michael, and I am one of the support specialists here at LaserJumpStart. I'll be helping you guys out today. As always, I am going to be going through all the steps in the installation process, but I will be going through them fairly quickly. So pause the video when you need to, let your system catch up, and then we'll be on the same page. But without further ado, let's begin. So first of all, after purchasing our software, you will be sent an email. So let's go into our emails here. And it will be from Mail Big File, as we are sending over a big file. I'm going to be using, in my example today, the BoxIt suite for 2017. The steps will be the same, however, the file sizes will be just slightly different, is the main difference between these two. So, in either case, I will still be doing it on X8. Alright, so go ahead and open up these two links, and it'll bring you to these two pages right here. The BoxIt suite is a large file. It is 600 megs, and so it will take around 10 minutes for it to download, or less depending on your internet speed. While it's downloading, go ahead and open up this guide. It is the Getting Started guide. It has some important information, starter information, just to get everyone familiarized with what the program is and everything along those lines. So let's go into here and we'll show where both of those are in folder. And here they are. The BoxIt suite will not quite be ready, as it is, as you can see there, it is a compressed file still, a zipped file. We do need to extract those. Windows 10 does make it easier now. We just right click and it will extract it for us. So we do not have to install third-party programs anymore. I'm going to browse and put it on the folder that I made specifically for this, BoxIt for X8. And then, in order to put those files in that folder, we would simply select on the the extract button. I already have that information there, so I'm going to cancel and then go into my folder that I have there. And this is what it will look like. And you will notice the install x8.cdr. That's the file we want. We need to make sure that CorelDRAW is ready first, though. So we are now in CorelDRAW X8. Go up here into Tools and on Options. And in Workspace, under VBA, we need to make sure that Delay Load VBA is not selected. It saves us some headaches down the road if that is the case. So open that up and we're ready. So we'll double click on that. And yep, so we will have a couple of pop-ups and a couple of steps here in CorelDRAW before we're finished. So the first thing we need to do is enable macros. And since this is X8, we actually do go into macros. So here up at Tools, bottom option, Run Macro. And here in macros right there, we want to select on the BoxIt option. And it will give us the option to install BoxIt Open. Run that, and here we go. Do you wish to install BoxIt? Why, yes, we do. It will take it just a moment for it to finish there, but once, and there we go, it installed. So now that the BoxIt suite has been installed, all we need to do is restart, as it says here, restart CorelDRAW, and we have access to it. Alright, and with that we have installed the BoxIt suite for CorelDRAW X8. Thank you for watching our video. Hope that I helped you out. Check out our video card on the left if you'd like to find out more about the BoxIt suite, or the video on the right if you'd like to find out more about increasing your revenue opportunities with some of our other programs. Our website listed here can show you a small portion of the capabilities of the software you purchased and the materials we have made specifically for lasers. If you'd like a one-on-one training session with one of our product specialists, our office hours are from 9 to 5:30 Mountain Standard Time, Monday through Friday. This has been LaserJumpStart, helping you make more with your laser.